Hello, my name is Charlie Norris. I am the Automation Product Manager here at WAGO. We have created several short videos on our aesthetic design and high performance line of industrial displays. These videos will discuss the different types of technologies and show you how you can implement them in your applications. This introduction is the first in the series, and here I will cover the features that are common to all three types of touch panels. WAGO's TouchPanel 600 has a wide offering, so you can select the best technology for your application. This product line is offered in three different types. The web panel is an industrial web browser. The Visu panel is a graphic hosting HMI. And the control panel is an integrated HMI and PLC. You can find out more information on each specific product by watching our short videos on these devices. In this video, however, I will review some of the common features that are offered throughout the TouchPanel 600's product line. We know that cybersecurity is important in all of our applications, and therefore all of the TouchPanel 600s have built-in network security. First, let's discuss the onboard firewall. All the TouchPanel 600s come with two Ethernet ports. These can be configured as a switch or as two independent ports with separate IP addresses. Separating the ports can be an advantage if one port is used to communicate with the enterprise-wide systems and the other port is used to communicate with a control network. The user can also enable the onboard firewall to help against unwanted device access. When the firewall is enabled, it can be set up with a MAC or IP whitelisting that will allow only known devices to communicate with the HMI. In addition, the firewall can be used to enable or disable Ethernet ports and services, helping to limit network access. The other feature on the device is TLS, or Transport Layer Security, for encrypted HTTP communications. This feature can be enabled to help with securing communication between servers and web browsers. And the TouchPanel 600 has features for VPN capabilities, that is, a virtual private network that is used to protect data online. The devices support both IPsec and OpenVPN platforms. The user can enable one or the other in the HMI's web-based management. The advantage is that the TouchPanel 600 offers these features so that users don't need to add other pieces of equipment into their architecture, saving them panel space and money. The TouchPanel 600 line is built for performance. Across all three types of devices, they all use a multi-core Cortex-A9 processor that runs at 1 GHz. Each device is offered with an abundance of memory. They have 2 GB of RAM and 4 GB of flash. The combination of the advanced processor and large memory makes these devices fast-acting and very responsive touchscreens. The screens are high resolution, providing a crisp and clear image. The 10-inch unit is 1280 by 800 and provides a very sharp image. It also has 800 candle power, so it is a very bright display. The displays also have a wide viewing angle. The screen can be read up to 85 degrees from center. This is helpful when an operator needs to see information even when they are not directly in front of the panel. The devices are programmed with our EICOCKPIT software that is based on Codesys version 3 for advanced programming capabilities. The operating system is real-time Linux. Users can take advantage of the OS as the device provides access to the command line. They can run their own applications in parallel with the EICOCKPIT application. These devices have lots of tools and features for you to enhance your application with advanced technology and high performance. On the front of the panel, there are lots of ergonomic features. There is a convenient status LED on the front of the panel that is useful to maintenance staff to quickly identify if the panel is connected and running or if it is disconnected from the network. 2 light sensors on the front of the panel are used to measure ambient lighting in the environment. In the web-based management, you can configure the panel to adjust the screen brightness automatically, or the operator can adjust the brightness manually from the 2 buttons on the front of the panel. There are also a couple of motion sensors on the front as well. These sensors are used to sense the presence of an operator. So if the screensaver is enabled, the motion sensors will automatically display the last view screen when the operator walks in front of the panel. These features help operators with ease of use and thus help increase productivity. Not all enclosures are the same size, so you can take advantage of mounting the TouchPanel 600s in a horizontal or vertical orientation, or develop your visualizations in a landscape or portrait layout for your preferred graphic. Mounting orientation can simply be set up via the TouchPanel 600's web-based management. All of the TouchPanel 600s have a full aluminum housing. This type of construction makes the touch panel very robust. Any OEM will be proud to have this industrial device in their control cabinet. The panels have a very unique feature that allows one installer to easily mount the panel. The mounting clips will temporarily hold the panel in place until the clamping screws are fixed. This is convenient as you don't need 2 people to install the panel, one to hold the screen and the other to fix the mounting screws. The mounting screws are required to obtain the NEMA 4X rating. The panels also have VESA mounting, so if you don't need the IP65 rating, the panel can be mounted on a standard monitor arm. The TouchPanel 600 is offered in 3 different styles, so you can optimize the device for your application. Our baseline comes with a polyester film display and has a single touch resistive screen. This is very typical for the operator that might want to press a button to start or stop an operation or change a screen. The advanced line has a glass display. It also has multi-touch capabilities. This may be used in the event you want the operator to touch 2 buttons before starting an operation. For example, you may have them press the unlock button and the start button at the same time to reduce the risk of starting something with a single touch. The capacitive touch panel allows users to operate the panel when they are wearing gloves, handy in some manufacturing operations. And the glass panel provides some inherent resistance to more corrosive environments. The Marine line offers an anti-reflective finish as well as global marine certifications, so you can pick the style that best fits your application. Currently, the touch panels are offered in 4 sizes between 4.3 inches and 10 inches. In the summer of 2020, WAGO will be adding a 15.6 and 21.5 inch screen to enable a larger display of information. These new panels will be offered in full HD, providing clear resolution of graphics. This wide offering of panel sizes allows you to select the most efficient design for your application, whatever you may need, from a small machine operator panel to a large HD display. Users need to connect to all different types of equipment, and the TouchPanel 600s can offer the flexibility you need for your applications. The web panel has 2 configurable Ethernet ports. That is, they can be configured as either a switched port or a separated port. The visual panel has an additional audio port for operator acoustic feedback. And the control panel comes with a complete array of interface ports that include 4 independent configurable digital inputs or digital outputs, a configurable RS-232 or 45 serial port, and a CAN open port that also supports J1939. The configurable Ethernet port supports several types of field buses, including Modbus TCP and UDP, Ethernet IP, and EtherCAT. In many applications, Users may want to extend their graphics to a desktop or a mobile device like a tablet or a smartphone. The TouchPanel 600 Visu and control panels make this very easy. These devices have an onboard web server that can be used to extend their visualizations into HTML5 web visualizations for the use with devices with web browsers. This type of mobile HMI can add value to any application where operators and maintenance staff need to monitor and control equipment even if they're not standing directly in front of the panel. The control panel is also IIoT ready. This device supports protocols that are utilized by most cloud services such as MQTT. Many cloud applications leverage the advantage of the lightweight MQTT protocol, so it is very easy to exchange data directly from a control panel to your favorite cloud. It also supports the MQTT-based Sparkplug protocol for exchange of data with on-premise or cloud-based SCADA systems like Ignition. And the control panel supports OPC UA. The control panel is a great choice for your IIoT applications. The TouchPanel 600's line of web panels, Visu panels, and control panels all use WAGO's engineering tool EICOCKPIT. This software is used to develop the visualizations, PLC code, and network configurations. Everything you need is in one application. EICOCKPIT is a simple to use for all your control applications, and with this all-in-one software, you can reduce your engineering development time. I hope you found this information useful. If you have any questions on WAGO's TouchPanel 600s, please contact your local WAGO representative or give us a call. Additional information such as product data sheets and manuals can be found on our website at wago.us. Thank you for watching.